with the Nicky. About as good as it's gonna get. Happy with that. I thought this PVC was leaking, but I guess it's not. I guess it's good enough. This ain't leaking. That's good. I keep running out of gas. I haven't put gas in it in 3 years. I've got almost every vacuum line plugged. This goes to that. This engine speed switch, which is this thing right here. It's not on any diagram that I got. EGR. Charcoal canister, evap, distributor. I'm not running the distributor vacuum pod. Stand by. Alrighty, porta vacuum's hooked up. Still getting good vacuum. I'm getting back into the charcoal canister. Manifold to there. This goes under the intake to a thermo switch, which is screwed into the water jacket. When it gets to 140, it opens. That line is fed from over there. This also feeds the EGR. So if you watch the EGR pencil right here, Cal requires that to work. Let's see. Well, that ain't working, but I'll have to get it to work. Hi. But I'm pretty happy the way it's idling. It hasn't idled this good in a long time, and I believe my issue was an eternal valve adjustment issue. I mean, I could not get these valves adjusted. Ended up taking off the valve cover, running it at super low idle with the Weber, and just literally adjusting them almost on the fly. And I still got a tick, but I think it's either a piston slap or it's a rod bearing that's not quite up to spec. But I'm happy with it. I just got to get that EGR to work, and I think I can run the EGR right to the I think I can run the VGR. I can bypass the thermal valve and run the EGR right off of the amplifier. It'll give me EGR when it's cold, but that's okay. I'm not really concerned with that. But I don't think that vacuum valve is opening for some reason. It's plenty hot. We got pressure, and we should have pressure in here. It's gonna pressure it eventually. But yeah, that's fire right there. That's good news. That shit was all over the place earlier, and I think it was a intake manifold gasket. I mean, I replaced that thing already, and the one I put in just didn't take or something. But I'm happy with this. I'm gonna run it.